I love it. You like it. And those Auntie Paris. So, guys, this is my outfit for today. Oh no, where's my fox fell down? Okay, so there is my. Nice. City ready for shore. Anyone don't know the right down clean was yep. Make me laugh.
No. Lenny wants cara.
The sailor rain, the sailor rain, the sailor anymore. Boo boo. Leaning with her mermaid. Go swim early in the morning. Can you sing mermaid din lang? Hi, sing mermaid din?
Auntie.
There she goes. Jump. Mommy.
My God.
Oh, the spider is gone.
Oh, that's oh my God. So, yesterday when I had my cupcake, I threw some to the spiders. Oh, it's all gone.
Did they?
It's all gone.
It's all gone! Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Tingnan niyo itong spider web. Ang laki na. Ang sa taas.
This spider's there.
Yeah, but the big spider is not there anymore. May mga maliliit. Tingnan niyo na ko. The small one na ko on the sides.
Which big ones did you say? Other side.
The big one. There's a big one there before, yeah? The one who made the big web.
Other side.
Yeah?
Yeah, Mommy, that's the one that.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
That's a different type.
Kita ba? Oh,
Mommy,
yeah.
that's a different.
Wow, that's massive.
Mommy,
That's a spider.
Mommy, I want to try something.
Yeah?
That's a different type.
Is
That's
it?
a different type from that one. Do you know why? Because that one has dots, and that one is black and green stripes.
Okay. Let's go. Come on, because we're already late.
Yeah.
Okay, go in, Selene. Yes, play
I'm not going to
good.
go today.
Where are you going? Hey, you can go this way, Baba. Okay, you go.
I go this way.
You go that way? Okay, like a big girl. Hey, morning's not here, babe. Here.
Morning. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. And the fathers were scary. And Mommy will look. It's gone.
It's gone.
It was right there.
Oh, vlogger na ito ah.
No, black.
Gusto rin chumika ah.
Black fathers.
Oh, black spiders. Yeah, how many?
2.
2?
2.
What's 2? Like
1. It's 1.
That's 1. What's 2? Like this.
2. That's 2. 2.
Yes, that's right. Sure about what, sweetie?
This fathers.
Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah, I think so too.
Gone. It's so
There's
gone.
another one as well. Okay, go in now. Go in. Good girl. It's currently 9:30 in the morning. And as you can see, ayan, papasok natin yung mga kids sa sasakyan. Kasi pupunta tayo sa playgroup ni Baby Celine, di ba? Every Thursday yun. So the last playgroup was last year. Kasi during school holidays, I closed din yung playgroup. So, first time namin ni Baby Celine na mag-join ulit. Love you. You might be wondering why, bakit nandito si Ate Paris natin. So, I called the school this morning. Sabi ko hindi siya makakapasok. Kasi last night, umiyak siya guys kasi may constipation na naman ang Ate Paris natin. So, diba alam niyo naman na meron niya siyang issue with constipation guys. Ready, steady, go!
Go.
Maldita. Okay, you only. Ready, steady, go, Lini?
Go.
Ay, shush, okay.
My turn.
Ready, steady?
Go. My turn.
Ah.
My turn.
You had your 10.
I want my turn.
Okay, ready, steady?
Go.
Okay, Ati's turn.
Yes.
Good girl. Ready, steady?
Go.
Okay, you too. Ready, steady?
Go.
We're here. Diyan kami nag-park. Ay, gosh! Kiss Ati's hand! Kayo na talagang... Natakot ako kasi late na. So, hindi ako nag-try na mag-park dyan sa car park. There's probably a spot there. Ala, it looks like marami namang spot. Hindi ako na-park. Sabi ko, ala, late na. Baka naman walang space. So, doon na lang. But it's okay. It's just a quick walk naman. Itong dalawa din ay gusto din naman nilang maglakad. Ang dami palang car park. Ay, hindi marami, but there's a spot. Good girl. Isang buwan din kaming hindi nakapunta dito
I like the frog plane.
Okay, come on, keep going.
I got something.
See, may spot. My spot. Meron palang spot for us here. Lenny, it's okay. What's that, ate?
Wow.
Doggy? Got my ice chocolate please. Huh? Lenny sharing. Have you got lots of toys on? Good girls. This one? Tingnan nyo, para naman nagbabasasilin. Play, play, play! What are you reading, Lainey? Wow! Pastor ko sinday.
Hi guys. So we're out of the playgroup now. And so the playgroup is done. And we are outside. Going to the car now. And some of my friends were here too. And Chloe. She went to Filipina, so yeah. And mommy, do you know where my frogs are?
It's on Celine's
Oh yeah, okay. And I also have my little fruits too, which are herbs though. And we are
go back to the car.
we're going back to the car now. This way. There's a very nice back button over here. Okay. We're walking. But we're driving here. We're just walking to our car. And, okay. We're just going.
You like it? Okay. Talk to us in the hair there. And eat Celine.
And my sister likes to talk too. Okay?
Like it?
I hold it. I like it.
Careful, careful.
I like it. Hello.
Tell them.
I would like it. You like it. And this Auntie Paris. So, guys, this is my outfit for today. Oh no, where's my frogs fell down? Okay, so there is my my turn.
Is that the first school?
Yeah.
Careful, Lily, you might fall, bro.
So guys, He's nice. That's... This is my outfit. I'm gonna show my outfit.
Careful please, anak. Katapos na namin from our playgroup. Oh! Oh! Careful.
Hi guys, I'm my mommy. That's mommy. Minnie. Oh, that's whoa. What?
Ako sa bulaklak na yan, guys. Talaga bang nandyan yan? Tingnan nyo. Sa gilid ng sasakyan. Yan, be? Anak, stay there, anak. Kasi meron silang ganyan dyan. Oh, kumintang. Dito talaga siya. Tumubo talaga siya sa daan. Tingnan nyo. So cute. No, sana hindi to siya masagasaan. Itong pala, itong sasakyan na to ay abandon na. Kaya ayan, tumubo sa gilid ng daan. Wow. Okay, let's go, girl.
Mom.
Yes, my princess. Do you want it on?
Yes.
Yeah. No, don't take it off. You're good. Nice. Ate will help you. Ate, can you help Celine, please, ate? Okay, ate will help you. Oh, no. I am making some noodles, guys. Alam niyo yung pinakita ko sa inyo last week ba yun? Na Korean noodles na napaka-spicy. Ito yun. Received something today. Do you wanna show this, ate?
There's a selfie Minnie now. There's Mickey Mouse. There's another one.
Yeah. Di ba po sabi ko, bumili ako ng mga shirts for baby Celine kasi pang childcare niya. Ito lang yung suotin niya.
I like this one.
Yeah. But I think this will still fit you, ate.
Huh?
I think this will still fit you. So, open it, eh?
I'll do this one.
Sobrang cute, ah. Oh, this will be perfect lang.
Alright.
So you can bring this to our camping. Yeah, very exciting, guys, for tomorrow. Actually, we will pack tonight. Sabi ko kay Ate Paris, we'll go down and we'll grab our, yung sa kanya lang naman, yung kanyang maleta. Kasi, yupi, still fit you. Yeah, still fit you, baba. Cute. Open the other ones. Because, my friend, Ate Michelle, she messaged me last week. Sabi niya, ano yung gagawin namin for Australia Day. So, tomorrow is public holiday dito sa Australia kasi Australia Day, Friday. So, walang pasok. Yung auntie daw niya, Ate Michelle, na Pinay din, ay meron silang property na pwedeng mapagkampingan. So, inas nila kami last time, guys. And sabi ko, kasi baby Celine was so little and hindi pa kami nakapag-camping ever. Like, wala pa kaming experience sa camping. So, we said no before, and then like, last week nung nag-ask sa Ate Mitch kung ano yung gagawin namin bukas, sabi ko, wala namang plano. Tinanong ko sa Daddy Mike, wala rin siyang work. So, sabi niya, yeah, you can come with the kids. Sabi niya, makapag-try daw. Para daw yung vlog natin ay iba naman yung setting na, you know, yung ibang lugar naman. And sabi niya na meron daw, merong cabin. Makakapagpili daw kami, meron din daw tent. So, kasi sabi ko kay Ate Mitch, wala kaming mga gamit kasi hindi naman kami nagka-camping, di ba? But sabi niya, provide na daw, meron na daw doon, cabin or merong tent. Ang dadalhin lang namin ay yung beddings, pillows, ganun. Tapos yung mga gamit, ano.
And this is my favorite one.
Sobrang ganda. Ay, very cute, anak. Alam niyo ba, this will still fit Paris and will also fit Celine. So, you choose which one you like, honey.
I like this one.
You like that one?
I like that one too.
Oh, no, you can have both white. Celine will have white. You choose between these two. Sorry, this.
Tell Lainey that question because I'm not sure.
Yeah?
Well, I think she'll choose that one. I will have this yellow.
Okay. So, Celine will have this and we'll have this.
Well, we
So,
cannot share.
papak natin to mamayang
We cannot share.
gabi. That's right. We can share, but for now, two each. Super cute. So yeah, we're very excited guys kasi hindi pa kami nakatry nito. Sabi na mayroong ilog daw doon na pwedeng liguan. Alam mo yun? So super excited. Stay tuned tomorrow guys. Ay, sa darating ng mga araw kasi we'll go tomorrow, lunchtime daw, and then we'll come home Sunday. So we'll stay the whole weekend sa camping. Whoop, whoop. Are you excited?
Yeah, and do you know why I like this one? Because you know what? That's Mickey Mouse on this side, and look at the back. So much characters! And look, this is my favorite thing about it. That's Minnie Mouse at the front,
Oh yeah, that's
and characters at the back. I'm gonna fold it.
Ayan siya. Yan. So, may rice pa kami from last night, guys. And nilagay ko yung noodles dyan. Ako na talaga. Both carbs. Ako na talaga mag-gain weight nito. Pero kasi, gusto ko yung nalalagyan din ng rice. Kasi pag minix ko yung rice tsaka yung spicy noodles, para hindi mo matitikman masyado yung ano niya. We are in Comsley Reserve. So, it's 3:30 ng hapon, guys. Nala ko yung mga kids dito para makapaglaro. Nakagising lang ni Baby Celine. So,
Let's go!
let's go! So, we have the...
Yucky!
Thank you, Bobby.
And guys,
No, it's not yucky.
Mama!
Oh, careful, Lydia.
And guys, I'm really rich. I got Korean money and it's $1,001.
Halo, ate.
Ah!
Itong bagong gising ay sobrang arte pa, guys. This is so cool. Ling Ling! I think Lini is doing slide here as well. Ayun na, ayun na. Did you slide? Good job. Did you like it? Again? Woo! Good job! Well done. Good jump. Someone's behind you. Whoa! Good jumping.
That's it!
Malaki tong park nila dito. Meron din silang ganito dito. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Wow! That's nice lang. like that. La 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 la. Look, look, look.
Oh no, a winner! I'm the winner! I'm the winner!
Lily just see her teacher. I was wondering she's smiling, like, you know, sobrang laki ng smile niya. Yung teacher niya pala, so it just shows that she's comfortable with her. But she's lovely too. Ayun siya. Ayun siya. Sobrang bait niya. Okay. So, what are we getting, Palingling?
Pancake.
Pancake?
Hi guys! Say hi. Hi. So we're at the supermarket. And I'm here just waiting for my mom. You can see her. Well, you can't see her now, so I'll show you her. Mommy, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. And she's buying me the chocolate.
Yeah.
Really one. Thank you. Okay, I got my little chocolate. Look at that. So my mom wants to talk to you, and or she does. I'm not really sure. Exactly.
Good job. Well done, sweetheart. Tayo ay mag-i-impake na ng mga kagamitan for tomorrow. So, aalis kami bukas, siguro mga around 11. Kasi chinek namin yung address. Sabi mga, pag walang traffic, it will take us an hour and a half going there. So, alam nyo ba yung place na to, guys, hindi pa talaga namin narinig before. So, very first time sa amin ito. So, we are all very excited. Yeah, this is your bag and your auntie's bag for tomorrow, okay?
Mini bag. That's mini bag.
Yes, we're gonna put your nappy here. You wanna sit here and help Mama? Come. Come. Yeah, you put your nappy in, okay?
Yes.
Whoa. Okay. You wanna say hi first, though?
Hi.
Say we're...
Channel.
Oh, come on, so we're packing.
Packing at the lobby.
Because we're going to... Camping. Yes. With Nanay C. Can you say, with Nanay C? Ay, bumol. Here. No, this one here. Your nappies will go here. Okay?
Yes.
Anak, anak. Nappies will go there, okay? You have to fold it nicely.
This.
Yeah. So, yung dalhin namin, hindi naman karamihan kasi tomorrow dating kami, tapos Saturday, Sunday. Yun lang yung dapat dalhin namin. Saturday, Sunday, tapos pang tulog nila. Although, I'll bring some extra kasi, you know, swimming or something like that. May extra na damit. Ito, baka madumihan. Alam mo yun. So, yeah. Wait, mama, sana. So, we'll bring this for Celine. Kanyang, ano? Yes, this is for Celine. Romper. Yeah? We'll put the romper here.
Yeah.
And this sunflower dress for Celine.
Bella.
Yes. That skirt for Celine also.
I'm in here.
Okay. And then, may skirt siya dito, tapos yung extra, ano niya, Mickey Mouse na top. And then, yung pantulog niya, that's Atis lang.
This one needs. Here.
So, andito ako sa, kwarto kasi, sabi ni Daddy Mike, tapos sana magluluto ako dinner. But sabi niya, you haven't cooked dinner yet? I was like, no. She said, he said, I'll cook dinner. So, there you go. Sabi ko, well, that's good. So, I'll do my packing. What's that here? Tapos, ito yung pang tulog nila. So it's okay for gamitin nila for 2 nights in a row. Kasi Saturday. Anak, mahuman kita dali nak. Saturday, Friday night and then Saturday night.
Hey, Dadas.
Yeah, that's mommy's.
That's mommy's.
Yeah.
That's
So,
mommy's.
ayan, for Lini.
It's mommy's.
That's for mommy's too, yeah. This is for mommy too.
Yeah.
So, Ate Paris, dadalhan ko siya ng, ito. Ayan. Isang set.
Mommy!
Anak ko, anak. Tapos,
This
underwear. Kung pantulog niya, yung binili ko bago. Sobrang cute nito. Leopard print.
Hi! Love.
Hi, that's mommy's. Mommy will have her own bag, okay? Thank you very much. And then, Atis... Yeah, we need more, Atis clothes lang. We need to plancha it. Yes? Tapos kang mommy niyo ay... Ano nang ginawa ng batang ito? Tulog ni mommy. So, I will bring my own bag. Kasi lagyan ng toiletries and all. It's all done? Hang on. See. And then you can close it. I'll put some more Atis clothes, okay? There you go. You will close it?
Yes.
Zip it. Hang on.
Mommy has help. Mommy help.
Ay, uminom talaga ako kaagad ng paracetamol, guys. Sukat yung...
Mommy help.
There you go. Okay. Good girl. That's alright.
Yeah. Here it is.
Here it is, okay. Good job. Okay. Lini's going.
Up.
Okay.
I carry. I made it carries. It's really carry.
Okay. We'll go down. Up. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. See you, Ling Ling.
See you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.